To turn on extended hours on Webull, follow these steps. First, open the Webull app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select the account icon, which will take you to the account settings page. On this page, scroll down to the trading section and look for the extended hours option. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. In the extended hours section, you will see a toggle button that allows you to enable or disable extended hours trading. To turn on extended hours, simply toggle the button to the right. You will then see a pop-up message asking you to confirm that you want to enable extended hours trading. Read the message carefully and tap on Confirm to proceed. You will then be taken back to the account settings page, where you will see that extended hours trading is now enabled. It is essential to note that extended hours trading allows you to trade stocks before and after regular market hours. However, keep in mind that trading during extended hours can be riskier due to lower liquidity and higher volatility. To get the most out of extended hours trading, make sure you have a solid understanding of the markets and the risks involved. It is also crucial to set clear goals and strategies before trading during extended hours. In addition, it is recommended that you monitor your trades closely and be prepared to adjust your strategies as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully turn on extended hours on Webull and take your trading to the next level. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means. Extended hours trading can be a powerful tool, but it requires discipline and caution. By being informed and prepared, you can navigate the markets with confidence and achieve your trading goals.